Buns, you want to tell them about my YouTube channel? Huh? Do you want to tell them? Okay, let's tell them. So I'm RandoTechNerd, and this is my YouTube channel, and I just want to go into a little bit about what I'm into and what you could expect on this channel. So I do like technology, trying to stay on the latest trends, figuring out what is coming out, what's good, what's not good. Specifically recently, them taking away the air command from the S25 Ultra. I also like to get random products and do reviews, kind of things that aren't really being mentioned very much. My other hobbies include 3D printing. This is an Ender 5 Pro, and I upgraded the extruder. I also, I have an instance of Octoprint running on an old Windows laptop, so I really like to repurpose old tech for new uses. So if you are into any of that or have any questions about 3D printing, I spent a lot of time printing lots of different things, and I'm happy to help anybody who's learning about 3D printing. I also do live streams of the 3D prints, and I've been doing some time lapses as well. And I'll just show you a couple things that I've printed so far. These are kind of more recent prints, just kind of things I had laying around. This is a little Mario star tree topper. You know, bad Coochie Kobe, good Coochie Kobe. This guy's a little snail from Adventure Time, but it's also a doorstop. So that's printed with TPU, so it's kind of squishy. And then I also like to play with different types of filaments. So this is a glow-in-the-dark Samsung S24 Ultra case. Rainbow filament. There's some Clear Pet G, and I really enjoy all that testing and playing with these things and getting to learn how to use them. So if any of that interests you, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions for me or anything, please leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for checking out my channel.